Good morning, students. Next numerical is, what is the concentration of sugar in moles per liter? Mole per liter means आपने यहाँ पे क्या solve करनी है? Molarity. What is the concentration of sugar in mole per liter if its 20 gram are dissolved in water to make the final volume up to 2 liter? Mole per liter mean आपने यहाँ पे क्या solve करनी है? Molarity. If 20 gram of sugar dissolved in enough water to make the final volume up to 2 liter. Very good. सबने solve भी कर लिया. Nice. Yes, Gurleen.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Gurleen.
Ma'am, first we have to find the molarity. So molarity is equal to
Yes, Gurleen. Molarity is equal
molarity weight of solute.
Okay.
Weight of solute upon molecular mass of solute.
Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter.
Yes, ma'am.
Volume of solution in liter.
So C12H22O11 is the sugar formula.
C12H22O11. Okay.
12 into 12.
12 into 12 plus
22 into 11 into 16. 144 plus 22 plus 176.
is equal to,
It's 340.
okay, 342 molar mass of sugar, 342 gram. Okay, ji.
Weight is given, that is 20.
20 gram divided by 342 gram.
Multiply by 1 upon 2 liter. Then the answer is 0.0029 mole per liter.
Answer is 0.0292 mole per liter. 0.0292 molar. Okay. In 3 moles of ethane, calculate the number of moles of carbon atoms. Second, हमें solve करना है number of moles of hydrogen atom. Third, number of molecules of ethane. Yes, Guru Sharan, first part solve करवाइए. In 3 moles of ethane, ethane C2H6. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In 3 moles of ethane, there will be 6 carbon atoms.
Number of moles of carbon atom कितने यहाँ पे 6. अगर 1 mole ethane है, 1 mole of ethane C2H6, इसमें कितने moles carbon atoms हैं? 2 moles of carbon atoms. अगर 3 moles of ethane, that is C2H6, is equal to, yes, how many moles of carbon atom?
6.
Okay, 6 moles of carbon atoms. Second part, number of moles of hydrogen atoms.
In 1 mole of ethane, there are 6 moles. of hydrogen atoms.
And in 3 moles?
18.
Yes, 18 moles of hydrogen atoms. Third part, number of molecules.
Ma'am, here we will use the formula number of moles is equal to number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number.
1 mole of ethane C2H6 is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. And 3 moles of ethane is
3
equal
into 18.066 into 10 raised to power 23.
Okay, very good, Gusharan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is, if the density of methanol is 0.793 kg per liter, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution? If density of methanol का formula क्या होता है? What is the formula of methanol? CH3OH, methyl alcohol, CH3OH. If the density of methyl alcohol is 0.793 kg per liter, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution? Density of methanol 0.793. Okay. Now, what is the molar mass of methanol? Molar mass of methanol. Solve कीजिए. CH3OH 1 into 12 plus hydrogen 4 into 1 plus 1 into 16, 32 gram per mole. Molar mass of methanol CH 32 gram per mole. Yes. अब डेंसिटी अगर हमारे पास 0.793 kg per liter है, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution? Yes, Krish Kumar.
सबसे पहले फॉर्मूला लगा देते हैं. Molarity is equal
First we
to
calculate the molarity of methanol is equal to, अगर बेटा जी हमें डेंसिटी गिवन है केजी पर लीटर में, अगर हमें मोलैरिटी किसमें सॉल्व, मोलैरिटी क्या होती है? मोल्स पर लीटर, ठीक है ना. तो इसको हम कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं केजी पर मोल में. केजी पर मोल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 0.032 केजी पर मोल हो गया. नाउ डेंसिटी 0.793 kg per liter divided by 0.032 kg per mole. अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपका आंसर किस में आ जाएगा? मोल पर लीटर में. केजी पर लीटर तो आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो केजी पर मोल से, ठीक है. अब आपका आंसर किस में आ जाएगा? मोल पर लीटर में. मोल पर लीटर में क्या होती है? मोलैरिटी. सॉल्व करके बताइए मोलैरिटी यहाँ पे कितनी आई है? Molarity is 24.78 mole per liter. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट आप अप्लाई करेंगे मोलैरिटी इक्वेशन M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is a given solution. Then solution to be prepared. अब जिस सोल्यूशन की डेंसिटी 0.793 kg पर लीटर थी, उसकी मोलैरिटी हमने सॉल्व कर ली। मोलैरिटी मोलैरिटी 24.78 वॉल्यूम. What is its volume needed for making 2.5 लीटर? तो वॉल्यूम V2 क्या हो गया? 2.5 लीटर ऑफ इट्स 0.25 मोलर. नाउ व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम?
$0.025.
0.02522 लीटर. मिलीलीटर में चेक करें तो 25.22 मिलीलीटर. ओके जी. The next numerical, dinitrogen and dihydrogen react with each other to produce ammonia. Dinitrogen and dihydrogen react with each other to produce ammonia according to the given chemical equation. N2 plus H2 give rise to 2NH3. इक्वेशन बैलेंस नहीं है, इस इक्वेशन को पहले बैलेंस्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे आप.
N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3.
Yes, balanced form N2 plus 3H2 give rise to 2NH3. Calculate mass of ammonia produced if 2.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram dinitrogen reacts with 1.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram of dihydrogen. Calculate the mass of ammonia produced if 2 into 10 raised to power 3 gram N2 reacts with 1 into 10 raised to power 3 gram of H2. Second part में क्या solve करना है? Will any of the two reactant remain unreacted? Third, if yes, which one and what would be its mass? Yes. Dinitrogen and dihydrogen react with each other and form ammonia, NH3. First step,
Balanced chemical equation.
शिवांश शर्मा जी. शिवांश,
पहले बैलेंस करनी है क्वेश्चन.
फर्स्ट हम लिखेंगे बैलेंस्ड केमिकल इक्वेशन. वेरी गुड शिवांश. N2 plus 3H2 give rise to 2NH3. Okay. Next step शिवांश बेटा.
एटॉमिक मास ऑफ नाइट्रोजन 14.
14 तो ये N2 क्या हो गया? 28 ग्राम.
यस.
हाइड्रोजन
मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ H2.
यस. अमोनिया 34 ग्राम. चेक कीजिए बेटा. शिवांश इतना क्लियर है? इतना ठीक है बेटा?
यस.
Yes. हाँ जी. Calculate the mass of ammonia produced if 2 into 10 raised to power 3 gram react with 1.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram of dihydrogen. First of all, which one is limiting reactant?
Nitrogen.
Very good. Solve करवाइए. 1 mole of, that is 28 gram of nitrogen reacts with 6 gram of hydrogen H2. ठीक है, अब 2.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram of nitrogen reacts with, yes कैलकुलेट कीजिए यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा, 6 divided by 28 into 2000, can we write 2000?
Yes.
हाँ जी, सॉल्व कीजिए शिवांश। अगर 2000 ग्राम नाइट्रोजन है तो हाइड्रोजन की रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी होगी? तो 28.6 ग्राम। नाउ विच वन इज लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट? हमें गिवन यहाँ पे 1 into 10 raised to power 3 ग्राम डाइहाइड्रोजन गिवन है, मींस 1000 ग्राम हमें हाइड्रोजन गिवन है, लेकिन 2000 ग्राम नाइट्रोजन के साथ रिएक्शंस के लिए हमें कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट है? 428.6 ग्राम डाइहाइड्रोजन की रिक्वायरमेंट है। नाउ विच वन इज लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट?
Limiting reactant, ma'am, nitrogen.
Yes. Now nitrogen N2 is limiting reactant. And excess reactant कौन सा?
Hydrogen.
H2 is reactant. Yes. First part solve कीजिए, then calculate the mass of ammonia produced if 2.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram dinitrogen reacts with 1.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram of dihydrogen. तो हम स्टार्ट कहाँ से करेंगे? लिमिटिंग रिएक्टेंट से, दैट इज 2.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram नाइट्रोजन गिव्स अमोनिया। ये हमें सॉल्व करना है। नाइट्रोजन N2 is limiting reactant, H2 excess है, then calculate the mass of ammonia produced.
Ma'am, 17/7 into 10 to the power 23. Sorry, 3.
28 gram of nitrogen gives 34 gram of ammonia, and
Yes,
2.00 into 10 raised to power 3 gram of nitrogen gives ammonia. Yes.
1213.8.
मैम मेरा मैं बोलता हूँ
कैलकुलेट करिए। यस, आंसर इज
2.428 into 10 to the power 23.
2428.7 gram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second part, will any of reactant remain unreacted? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hydrogen.
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 Right. H2 will remain unreacted. Third part, if yes, which one and what would be the mass? Yes, Kursharan.
Ma'am, hydrogen will remain unreacted. 1000 minus 428.6. That will be 571.4.
Right, Pursharan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next numerical. A welding fuel gas contains carbon and hydrogen only. Burning a small sample of it in oxygen gives 3.38 gram carbon dioxide, 0.690 H2O, no other products. A volume of 10 liter of this welding gas is found to be 11.6 gram at STP. Calculate empirical formula, molar mass of gas and molecular formula. A welding fuel gas contains carbon and hydrogen. Burning a small sample of it in oxygen gives 3.38 gram carbon dioxide, 0.690 gram H2O and no other products. A volume of 10 liter of this gas is found to be 11.6 gram. If you want to calculate the molecular formula, then first you have to calculate
empirical formula.
मैम फर्स्ट मैम टेबल बनाना आता है एलिमेंट्स नेम एंड देयर
to calculate the molecular formula. First we have to calculate
मॉलिक्यूलर मास
and
empirical
for the
Yes.
calculation of empirical formula, you need percentage of carbon and hydrogen. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है welding fuel gas contain carbon and hydrogen only. So you need the percentage of carbon and hydrogen first, but percentage is not given in the statement.
पहले बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन लिख के देख लेते हैं इसकी.
No. First we calculate
Equation.
the percentage of carbon in the given compound. First हमें क्या given है? Carbon dioxide 3.38 gram and 0.690 gram of H2O. Amount of carbon in (3.38 gram carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide CO2 44 gram. In 44 gram of carbon dioxide, carbon कितना present होता है? 12 gram. Yes or no?
मैम यस
Okay. So from this, so we can calculate the amount of carbon in 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide. 12 divided by 44 into 3.38. इसको calculate करके आ जाएगा 0.9218 gram. Then the next amount of hydrogen in 0.690 gram H2O. In H2O, hydrogen 2 gram and H2O mass 18, 0.690. Calculate करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 0.0767 gram. Okay. Now percentage of carbon is equal to 0.9218 divided by total mass. Total mass दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 0.9218 plus 0.0767 into 100. ठीक है जी, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 0.9218 divided by 0.9985. 92.32. Next, mass percent of hydrogen 0.0767 divided by 0.9985 into 100. यहाँ पे 7.68. तो यहाँ से हमने परसेंटेज सॉल्व कर ली कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन की. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्लियर सबको? इरेज करती हूँ इसको. Now you all know the percentage of carbon and hydrogen. That is the first step to calculate the empirical formula. Carbon percentage is 92.32, hydrogen 7.68. Atomic mass 12 and 1. Next, number of moles 92.32 divided by 12, 7.68 divided by 1. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 7.69, यहाँ पे 7.68. Now, simplest molar ratio 7.69 divided by 7.68 approximately 1. 7.68 divided by 7.68 is equal to 1. C1H1. So we can write CH. Next हमें solve करना है molecular formula. We know molecular formula is equal to now what is N? N is equal to ठीक है. एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला मास तो हमें क्लियर हो जाएगा यहाँ से CH से 1 into 12, 1 into 1. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. तो ये हो गया 13. Now, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे एक लाइन गिवन है. A volume of 10 liter at S3P is 11.6 gram. .0 liter of a gas is equal to 11.6 gram. ठीक है. If it is 22.4 liter, you know कि 22.4 liter gas का जो mass होता है that is equal to mass 22.4 liter of gas is equal to, ये सॉल्व कीजिए बेटा इसको. (11.6) divided by 10 liter 22.4. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 25.984 ग्राम, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 26 ग्राम. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम लिख देते हैं 26. देन n is equal to 2. Now, n is equal to 2. This is CH. Now, what is the molecular formula? C2H2. First part का आंसर CH. Next, molar mass of gas 26 gram per mole. Molecular formula C2H2.